Do I need an AI with TRT? Do I need an aromatase inhibitor when on TRT? I asked hormone optimization therapy expert Danny Bossa, and he explains as only Danny Bossa can.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
And hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything.
Is there any situation where adding in an AI helps?
Nostalgia. On the very, very, very rare occasion that somebody's developing nostalgia, they can take an AI and that could help it. Other than that, there's absolutely no need, bar none. And this whole thing with, yeah, when I take an AI, I feel better. Here's a little bit of, make your brain explode. When you take an AI, what's happening? You have less testosterone that is converting into estrogen, right? Because you're basically blocking that conversion. So what happens? You wind up with more testosterone. What happens when you stop taking the AI? Well, you're not blocking that conversion anymore. So now you have more testosterone that is converting into estrogen, which leaves you with less testosterone. So a lot of guys say, I feel better on AI. Yeah, of course. You have more test in your system. Of course you're going to feel better. If you want, get off the AI. It's better for your health. Your testosterone levels are going to drop a bit because more of it's converting to E2, and that's fine. E2 is your friend. E2 is going to keep you healthy. E2 is great for you. What you do is you add a little bit extra testosterone to compensate and bring your levels back to where they were, and you're going to feel just as great, if not better. So
Exactly. Okay.
simple as that.
Real simple.
Mm-hmm. And isn't there a possibility when someone is taking TRT and is high up the dose and suddenly they get a bit of bloating, water retention, that at that moment is the TRT dose too high? Can they add in an AI then? If their low T symptoms haven't disappeared yet, of course.
That'll depend on a whole number of things. To just say, as soon as I get to this dose, I start to bloat. Is it going to be because of E2? I don't think it's going to be because of E2. I think it's just going to be because of other stuff. Some people can take more than others. In my opinion, you'll boost it up to the point where you're not getting symptoms. The amount that I take right now, I can officially say I have no symptoms. I feel great. But I know that if I keep increasing my dose, there'll come a time when I'll start having weird side effects. I know that the dose I'm taking now is good. If you start getting the bloating and the water retention and all this other stuff, I'd probably look into other things and not necessarily blocking your E2 is the worst. I'll say this one more time just in case you haven't quite understood. It's the worst thing that you can be doing to yourself. Okay, the worst. Don't do it.
Okay, B3 says thank you. That's clear.